Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to hide Safari, not delete a built-in system app. Start by updating and backing up so you can undo changes. Once done, confirm your Apple ID and set or remember your screen time passcode because you'll use content and privacy restrictions. Next, install your replacement browser and set it as default in settings so links open elsewhere. Make sure you understand this keeps Safari on the device but removes access. Proceed to restrict the app now. Now disable Safari with screen time. Open Settings and tap Screen Time, then turn on Content and Privacy restrictions. Once enabled, tap Allowed Apps and switch Safari off. This removes the icon and access without deleting system files. If you prefer partial control, use app limits or downtime to restrict Safari at set hours. Remember to set a screen time passcode you won't forget. Otherwise, you'll be forced to reset settings to regain control. Continue to clean up home screen icons next. Finish by removing Safari from view. Pull it out of the dock and place it in a folder, or if you have App Library, remove it from home screen so it's hidden. Once hidden, confirm links open in your chosen default browser. If Safari reappears, restart the iPad and recheck content and privacy restrictions. Ensure the screen time passcode is correct. As a last resort use, reset home screen layout or toggle restrictions off and back on to refresh the interface and resolve lingering icons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.